Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a powerhouse of a mini PC, the Reatan Silver 9. Don't let the compact size fool you. This beast is packing a 14-core, 20-threads i9 12900HK CPU, 32GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, all tucked into a sleek, solid all-metal chassis. It runs Windows 11 Pro right out of the box, supports triple 4K display output, and even comes with a 2.5GB LAN, HDMI 2.0, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. This appears to be a great option for content creators and even gamers looking for a compact desktop solution. So is it worth your investment? Stick around as we unbox, test and fully review the performance of this Silver 9 mini PC. Let's get started, guys! First things first, let's open the box and see what's included. Right on top, we are greeted by a thank you card. Some warning cards explaining what might cause initial silver boot times. And since this Silver 9 uses liquid metal thermal compound, you should be extra cautious removing the heatsink, since liquid metal could drip and cause short circuit. There's the quick setup guide. The Reatan Silver 9 mini PC, securely packed and wrapped in protective foam. We'll check it out in just a second. In this box we also got an HDMI cable, the power cord and the 120W power brick itself. So let's talk about the design. The Silver 9 features a premium all-aluminum enclosure with a brushed metal finish. It feels solid and very well built, not plastic or flimsy in the slightest. The design is modern and minimalistic, perfect for a clean office or entertainment setup. Despite its power-packed internals, it remains extremely compact, small enough to fit in a backpack or even mount behind a display. The mini PC is just as wide as a regular PS4 controller, and it's giving serious workstation vibes in a very tiny footprint. Under the hood, the Reatan Silver 9 is nothing short of impressive. It's powered by a 12th Gen Core i9 processor with 14 cores, 20 threads and a max boost of up to 5 GHz. It's paired with a 32GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, and this setup handles multitasking, content creation and heavy workloads with ease. You also get a blazing fast 1TB NVMe SSD, which ensures fast loading times, near-instant application loading and smooth file transfers. Graphics are handled by the Intel Iris Xe, which supports up to 3 simultaneous 4K displays. Connectivity is another strong suit. On the front we find a reset hole, the power button, 2 USB 3.2 ports and a 3.5mm combo jack. On the side we have plenty of vent holes for proper cooling. And on the back we've got an HDMI 2.0 port, a USB-C port which can be used for power delivery as well as for connecting an extra monitor. We have a 2.5GB Ethernet port, a DisplayPort 1.4 and 2 more USB 2.0 ports. Of course, the mini PC supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and versatile wireless connections. So time to power it up. The boot time is impressively fast thanks to the NVMe SSD. Windows 11 Pro launches in seconds. Setup was straightforward, and after installing updates and the latest drivers, we were ready to dive into testing. At this point I had the Silver 9 running for 6-7 hours straight, installing games and apps and testing the overall performance, and I didn't face any initial hiccups or glitches, so we're up to a good start. Let's confirm what we got under the hood. The i9 12900HK is correctly identified. We can see all 14 cores running at base frequencies of 2.5 GHz and boosting to over 4.9 GHz during heavier tasks. In terms of thermals, right now we're sitting comfortably at around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius when idle. During peak usage, the CPU rarely crossed 80 degrees Celsius, which is a testament to the efficient cooling in such a compact enclosure. The 32GB of RAM is recognized in dual channel, running at 3200 MHz. As for the GPU, we got the Iris Xe integrated graphics. Crystal Disk Mark shows sequential read speeds north of 5100 MB per second and writes over 4700 MB per second, confirming that the 1TB NVMe SSD is every bit as fast as expected. So now time for some real-world testing, starting with Cinebench R23. While pushing the CPU, we can see the temperature sitting at around 73 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly safe for a chip of this class. As for the fan noise, while under heavy loads, the fans do ramp up noticeably. The noise is there, but it's not annoying or high-pitched. I measured the fan noise at around 42 to 45 decibels at full load, which is noticeable but still a lot quieter than most gaming laptops or full-size desktops which have more aggressive cooling. In Cinebench R23, we got a multi-core score of almost 14,000 points, which is incredible for a mini PC. The single-core score was just below 1600, making it excellent for both multitasking and single-threaded workloads. Light daily use was absolutely fluid. Web browsing, running multiple Chrome tabs, watching 4K video, and swapping between apps and tabs was effortless. No lag, no hesitation whatsoever. Alright, now let's talk gaming, because with an Core i9 and integrated Iris Xe graphics, the Silver 9 mini PC isn't just for spreadsheets and streaming. I tested a few popular titles to see how far this compact machine can go. Starting with Assassin's Creed Mirage, I ran it at 1080p on low settings, and surprisingly it managed to hold around 30 FPS. It's not silky smooth, but still very playable for a slower-paced open-world game. Considering it's a modern title running on integrated graphics, that's actually quite impressive. Next up, I fired up Fortnite using the recommended low settings, and this is where things got interesting. The Silver 9 held steady around 90 FPS, with only occasional frame drops during intense battles or large firefights. It's definitely a playable and enjoyable experience for casual or even competitive players. Then I jumped to Valorant, a game known for its optimization. The Silver 9 did not disappoint. I bumped the resolution up to 1440p and set the graphics to medium, and the system delivered a consistent 50 to 70 FPS. It felt smooth, responsive, and honestly, like I was playing on a much more traditional gaming setup.
Enemy spotted mid.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Spike down mid. Flawless.
Reloading.
So while this isn't a dedicated gaming setup with a discrete GPU, It's still more than capable of handling popular titles at respectable frame rates, especially esports and lighter AAA games. For a compact desktop, that's seriously impressive.
Bye.
Sorry, bro.
After all this stress testing, I also wanted to get an idea of how warm this mini PC gets under load, so I used an infrared thermometer to measure the chassis temperature. On the top surface, the Silver 9 stayed relatively cool, reading around 31 degrees Celsius, which is honestly great for compact aluminum build. Around the rear vent area, where the cooling fan exhausts hot air, I recorded temperatures of around 39 degrees. That's completely normal and shows that the thermal system is doing its job, moving heat away from the internal components efficiently. So guys, is the Reatan Silver 9 mini PC worth it? Let's sum it up. As for the pros, we have a top-tier Core i9 CPU, 32GB of RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD, which ensures smooth multitasking and fast storage. We got a sturdy and premium all-aluminum build, triple 4K display support, and last but not least, the mini PC stays silent and thermally efficient under most workloads. As for the cons, well, we're relying on an integrated GPU, so we have limited AAA gaming potential, and upgradability is limited due to the compact form factor. So if you're looking for a compact workstation or media hub with serious computing power, the Silver 9 delivers on nearly all fronts. From video editing and multitasking to casual gaming and productivity, this mini PC definitely handles it all with ease. So guys, if you like this product, purchase links can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next episode.